Hi guys, we got another parcel from a new brand. First time we are collaborating with this brand, so let's see what's inside. What's inside? So it's a portable hand fan. So you can carry with in your bags. So that's the main concept. Let's unbox and see what's inside. So type A to type C cable and a strap, not one, actually two straps without branding. I think it's a base. Yes. So we can place it on the table. We can use it like a standing fan. Booklet. Actually, we can adjust the angle a bit, but I don't know how to turn it on because it's not turning on. Now it's working. So this button is basically adjusting the speed 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So I'm expecting little bit more speed on this. It's pretty good, but you have to keep it very close to feel it full power like this much distance. Actually, you can see some vapor. It's producing cool water vapor. It's kind of interesting. Also, the battery level drains very fast. When we start 5 minutes back, it was about 76 something, 76 or 74. Within 5 minutes, it went 65. So I'll test and post a reel on this very soon. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Subscribe. Bye bye.